Hello, welcome back to Programming with Singarte. Today I will show you how to configure and run the hospital management system step by step and show you all the features of the system. Well, I ask you for a favor, if you don't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for notification and upcoming videos and talks from the channel. So here is the landing page of the system, to able to configure your company information, and start using the system. First of all, we need to register our company information. There are 3 steps to follow to complete the configuration. Step 1. We have to enter the company name, company email, company telephone number, company fax. And all those fields are required for the configuration. Step 2. We have to enter the company website address, company establish year, about the company, company address and company logo. All those fields are required as well for the step 2. Step 3, which is the final step for the configuration, and it's optional to add them now or later. Which are the company social links, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And I will use a default links just to fill the social link as demo. But in your case you need to provide a real social link of your company. After that I will submit the form and wait for some seconds to redirect to the registration page. Where I will register the admin and have access to log in into the system. After directing me to the registration page with a congratulation message of successful configured the system. We are good to go. So now, we will register our admin to access the system, and the name of the admin will be Alagi Singarte. And the email will be admin@gmail.com. The password will be admin and the confirm password will be admin2. So after registration completed, we will be redirect to the login page, where we will enter our username and password to access the system. So, here is the login page of the system. So in this page we need to enter a correct login detail which you already registered with from the registration section, and if you don't provide a username and password and try to log in you will have error messages, which will tell you the username and password are required. Else you will have access to the system. So, after entering the correct login credentials, we will see our admin dashboard. where we will have access to create everything from the system. By default, the system records are all empty. 0 doctors, 0 patients, 0 attendants, and 0 pending appointments, and all the charts will be empty as well. So admin can also able to see his/her profile, edit his/her profile and log out from the system as well. And now let's discuss the features of the system and what the admin can do when he/she already log in inside the system. The admin can able to add all the informations of the specialist in the hospital. The admin can able to add new doctors and their information. The admin can able to add new patients and their informations. The admin can able to add operations of which are required by your hospital. The admin can able to add appointment of existing patient that is already in the system. The admin can make schedule of the doctors. The admin can add new departments of the hospital. The admin can add new ambulances of the hospital. The admin can add new medicines of the hospital. The admin can add new employees of the hospital. The admin can add inventories of the hospital. The admin can add marketing offices of the hospital. The admin can add pharmacies of the hospital. If the hospital has multiple pharmacies, they can able to manage all of the pharmacies by adding the pharmacy's details. The admin can create invoices of the hospital. The admin can create reports of the hospital. The admin can add settings of the hospital by navigating to the System Settings panel. Now let's add System Modules information step by step, starting from the Department section. Here I will add 10 departments as for demo purpose. In the Department section we have specified department name, and department description and department status. After filing all the fields, now we can click Create Department to save the department details into the system, and I will create 10 different departments as for demo. And I can able to edit the department informations and even delete a department or deactivate a specific department that I don't want to show in the system. After from adding the departments we can do similar process to add the specialists as well. In the specialist section we have specify the specialist name, can click Create Specialist to save the specialist details into the system, and I will create 5 specialists as this demo. So here is all the 5 specialists that I have created so far. Now, after from adding the specialists we can do similar process to add the doctors as well. In the doctor section all the fields are required. And I will create 6 example doctors for this demo tutorial. And there will be 3 male doctors and 3 female doctors. Those will be the doctors inside our hospital as demo. And in the doctor section you can able to preview the doctors by table format or gallery format by toggling the red button in the doctor section. Now, after from adding the doctors we can do similar process to add the inventory as well. In the inventory section we have 5 sub-modules such as test module, stock module, bed seat module, branch module and ambulance module. And all the modulus I will show you how to work with them step by step. Inside the test module we have add new test and test list. Inside the stocks module we have add new stock and stock list. Inside the bed seats module we have all the floors from floor 1 to floor 5. And I add bed seats from floor 1 to floor 4 and floor 5 will be empty as for demo purpose. And you can able to edit the information and delete the information as well. And if your hospital doesn't have floors you can able to exclude them inside the system, turn them off. And inside the branch module we have add new pharmacy and pharmacy list. After adding all the bed seats. Now we will do similar process to add the stocks, and I will add 4 different types of stocks, and after that I will show you how to deliver a stock that has been requested from the others branches. And if the stock is low, you can able to add more stock quantity to adjust the stock quantity of a specific stock in the hospital system. But in the request section, if the quantity of the requested stock quantity is greater than the available quantity of a specific stock, you will have message. A requested quantity is greater than the available quantity. So you can only requested a stock quantity which is less than the available stock quantity. And you can able to edit or delete the stocks as well if they are not needed or mistakenly added to the system. Now we will navigate to the Marketing Offices section. I will add 4 marketing offices. Namely, Donald Trump, Barack Obama, Joko Widodo and Adama Barrow. Those will the marketing offices of the demo system. After adding all of the marketing offices, we have navigate to our pharmacies section and assigned each of them with the pharmacy. In the pharmacy section we will add the pharmacy holder name, pharmacy address, pharmacy holder contact number, and assigned a marketing officer along with each pharmacy to manage all the resources of a specific pharmacy in the hospital. Now we navigate to the ambulance section to add all the ambulances of the hospital and can able to view them and edit them, delete them. After adding the ambulances, we can able to view a specific ambulance details by selecting the ambulance that we want to preview. After completing the ambulance section, we can navigate to the medicine, drug section. In this section we can add all the medicines that we have inside the hospital. In the Add Medicine page we have to specify all the required field to add a specific medicine into the hospital, which are medicine expiration date, medicine name, medicine price, medicine quantity, medicine alert quantity, medicine active status, and medicine usage description. How to use a specific medicine. By default, the alert quantity is 100. When the medicine quantity decreased to 100, you will have an alert message telling you that your medicine quantity is low to increase the quantity of the medicine. After completing the medicine section, we will now navigate to the doctor schedule section. In the doctor schedule section we can add single schedule or multiple schedule of a specific doctor. And the schedule can able to edit and delete if not needed anymore. And I will add few schedules of few doctors. And see how we can able to add those schedule to them. To able to add a schedule you need to select a doctor and choose the days you want the doctor to available in the hospital and select a starting time and closing time as well. So let's add some of the schedules. After adding all we can able to edit a specific starting time or ending time of a specific day of the doctor that we have already scheduled. And we can also able to delete a specific schedule as well. So after completing the doctor schedule section, we now can navigate to the calendar section, where the admin can add events, holidays of the hospital, and it will seen by all the employees and doctors that are already inside the system. We can add event, holiday and label the event color with any color we want. After completing the calendar section, now we will navigate to the patient section to add a patient as general or admit patient to the hospital. Now we have to add all the required field that the patient need to provide to able to admit or to visit a doctor. Here I will add 2 patients in the system as demo to see how and what the hospital management system can do for the patients that are already registered to the system. After adding the patients, we can now navigate to the dashboard and confirm if charts are working or not, and see if we have new patients in the new patients table as well. And you can be able to view the patient detail from the dashboard as well. After completing, the patient can now able to make appointment to a specific doctor. And the doctor will have notification when she is logged into the system, and the doctor can able to approve the appointment or reject the appointment if she is busy, and reschedule the appointment to another day. So in the appointment section, you have provide the patient details and select a doctor and provide a message about your appointment, why you want to have appointment with the doctor. And the doctor will see all the information you provided for your appointment. After making patient appointment from the admin side, we now have to visit our website, which will be provided for outside of the system so that others can able to read and make online appointments as well. If they want to meet a specific doctor inside the hospital, they have a Mako appointment. So after navigating to our website, we can now see features of the hospital, and we can see the doctors and their information, such as the days that they will be in the hospital and etc. And you can also able to make an appointment from the website, and you will have email after submitting the appointment, and if your appointment is approved by the doctor, the system will send you another email to notify you that your appointment has been approved by the doctor. And you can come to see the doctor by proving your appointment code to the front desk. In the doctor section, the doctor can able to approve his or her appointments from the patients or non-patients. And the doctor can able to approve or reject an appointment if he or she is busy. And the doctor can able to add his or her educational information and experience information as well. And the doctor can able to change his or her password after login to the system to prevent others to have access to his or her account. And the doctor can also add his payment information so that the hospital can pay him or her from that payment information that he added as primary payment, and he can secondary payment as optional. After approving the appointment, the person will receive another email from the hospital which will have the appointment code, which you will show on the hospital front desk when you come for your appointment. And the doctor can reschedule the appointment as well if he or she has another important meeting to attend. So after refresh the admin dashboard, you will see pending appointment and approved appointment in the dashboard, which will show the admin that the doctor has approved one appointment and leave the other appointment for a moment. And if the doctor did not approve the appointment till the days has expired, the admin will receive a notification one of the appointment has been expired. And the doctor can't able to approve that appointment again. And the admin can see the person who make the appointment details by clicking the name or the image of the person. Now here is the second email that the person will receive after appointment is approved from the doctor. The doctor can able to add his or her educational details and experience details from another hospital or clinic is available, or leave it blank. and after adding all the information the doctor can able to edit or delete any of his information if has an error while providing them. And the doctor can able to add his bank details for salary payment from the hospital, and he or she can mark one as primary bank account to receive all the salaries from the hospital. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or queries, you are free to ask either comment section, or you can follow us in Facebook. Link will be in the video description, or Instagram for more detail.